Maddox, come water the flowers.
I'll spell it.
What needs watering? Can you water the flowers? Go
More
water
water.
the flowers. Go water the plants.
Or your belly.
Can you water the plants? Go water the plants like Daddy does. Can you water the plants? Uh-oh, go water the plants. How do you water the plants? Can you water them? Those are toes. Why don't you water the plants? Use your watering can. Remember, water the flower. Water the flower. What are you looking at? You want to get your lawnmower? Should I put this in here in case you need it? Good job. You going back up the driveway? Go back up the driveway. What do you see? That's a tree. Do you see any frogs? Any frogs? Where are the frogs? Okay, go find them. Go find the frogs. Is it stuck? You working on a part? All done. Go find a frog. Where's the frog? You see a car coming? Should we wave? Wave to the car. That's right. Can you blow kisses? That's right. Can you say grandma? Yeah. That's right. You're pointing to grandma. Maddox, can you blow grandma a kiss? Look at me. Look here. Blow grandma a kiss. Look right here. Maddox. Blow grandma a kiss right here. Are you looking for her? Right here. Blow a kiss. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you can keep going. Toes. Maddox, what does a cow say? Maddox, look at me. Look at mommy. What's a cow say? What's a lion say? What's an elephant say? No? Woo! Yeah. That's your trunk. That was good. You saying bye-bye? Say bye-bye to the camera. Look at the camera. Smile. Cheese. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kiss. Maddox, come here. Can you give the camera a kiss? Oh, that was nice. Okay, bye-bye.